Hello students, today we will learn about formatting a document. Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. We can create and design appealing documents by changing font and its size, setting margins and tabs, changing text case, highlighting certain words, aligning text on a page, applying border, adjusting line spacing, creating bulleted or numbered list, changing text styles and color. Formatting effects can be applied using the Home tab, which contains font formatting commands, font group, paragraph options, paragraph group, text styles commands, styles group, copying and moving commands, clipboard group, finding, replacing and selecting commands, editing group. Students, note that Redo button on the Quick Access toolbar can also be used as a repeat typing tool to rewrite a previously typed word. Now let us learn how to change font type. The characters of a specific size and design used for typing the text are called fonts. Microsoft Word provides various types of font options. When you open Word, the text appears in default font type, that is, Calibri body with 11-point size. To change the font type, select the text, click on the Home tab. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the font box in the font group. A list of fonts appear. Choose the desired font from the displayed font list. Observe the change. Students, note that Microsoft has set default font to Calibri with 11-point size in Word 2007 and Word 2010, whereas in previous versions of Word it was Times New Roman. Students, note that the font size refers to the height, overall size of the letters. To change the size of font, click on Font Size drop-down list in the Font group on the Home tab and select any font size from the displayed list. Students, know the fact that when we select the text, a small pop-up window appears, which has the basic formatting command buttons. Now let us talk about applying bold, italic and underline. The font style options such as boldface, italic and underline are used to emphasize the text and catch the reader's attention. Boldface. It makes the selected word darker than the rest of the text. Italicizing. This effect emphasizes the text by slanting it to the right. Underlining. It emphasizes text by placing a line under it. We can underline a word or sentence along with spaces. To apply any font style effects, select the text. Click on button B or I or U in the font group on the Home tab. Microsoft Word provides a variety of formatting options which can be selected from the Font dialog box on the Home tab. Simply click on the Font dialog box launcher in the Font group. Students, press the shortcut keys to apply and remove the given effects. Ctrl+B for bold, Ctrl+I for italic, Ctrl+U for underline. Now let us understand how to change text alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of text on a page. It is always better to set the alignment before typing. We can also select an entire document and then change the alignment of text. Microsoft Word provides 4 types of alignments, which are as follows. Align text left. It places the selected text towards the left margin. By default, the text is always aligned to the left margin. Center align sets the text in the center of the left and right margins. It is mostly used for the title or headings. Align text right aligns the selected text towards the right margin. It is often used for placing dates or reference in a document. Justify align. It places the text evenly between the left and the right margins. It is mainly used for designing books, magazines, and newspapers. Now let us understand how to align. Select the text. Click any desired alignment button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Observe the change in the alignment. We can also change the text alignment using the paragraph dialog box. Click on the paragraph dialog box launcher either on the Home tab or Page Layout tab. The paragraph dialog box appears. Select the required alignment by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the alignment option under General section. Students, note that tab stops are used to describe the location at which the cursor stops after the tab key has been pressed. Tab stops are commonly used to enable users to align text easily by pressing the tab key. By default, tab stops are set at every 0.5 inch. We can set the tab stops by clicking on the ruler. Let us talk about changing the text color. Microsoft Word provides an option to change the color of the text. Select the text and click on the Home tab. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Font Color button and the Home tab. Select the desired color from the displayed Font Color menu. Students, note that to highlight text, select it, then click on Text Highlight Color tool and select any color and observe the change. Now we will discuss how to change text case. You can change the case of the existing text without retyping it in Microsoft Word by using the Change Case option available in the font group. Word 2010 provides 5 types of case conversations, which are as follows. Font case, explanation, example. Sentence case, capitalizes the first letter of the selected sentence. Example, this is a test document. Lowercase, converts the selected text to lowercase. Example, this is a test document. Uppercase, converts the selected text to uppercase. For example, this is a test document. Capitalize each word, changes the first character of each selected word to uppercase. Example, this is a test document. Toggle case, converts the case of every selected character in reverse manner. That is, a capital character will convert into lowercase and vice versa. Example, this is a test document. Students, let us talk about changing line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text in a document. We can also increase or decrease the line spacing between a paragraph. Select the text. Click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing button in the Paragraph group on the Home tab. Select the desired option of line spacing from the drop-down list, or to set more precise spacing measurements, click on the Paragraph dialog box launcher. The Paragraph dialog box appears. Select the Indent and Spacing tab and then select the required line spacing option under the Spacing section. Click on OK button and notice the change. Students, note that we can press Shift plus Enter to insert blank lines in the bulleted or numbered list. Let me share a tip with you. Microsoft Word 2010 provides a quick styles gallery which offers a variety of ready-made styles that a user can apply to the selected text. A user can also define the style as per his requirements. Quick styles are available in the Styles group and on the Home tab. The default line spacing for most quick style sets is 1.15. Alright students, now let us learn how to create bulleted and numbered list. We can format list in a document by using bullets and numbers. A bullet is a small graphic symbol that sets off an item in a list. To apply bullets to the text, follow these steps. Select the text and click on the Bullets button in the Paragraph group on the Home tab. Select the bullet style of your choice. You will find that the selected text is bulleted and the indents are automatically adjusted to separate the text from the bullets. Similarly, you can apply numbered list to the text. Students, note that to apply numbering effects on the text, select on the Numbering button in the Paragraph group and select the list style of your choice. Let us talk about applying border and shading. To improve the appearance and legibility of the text, we can add a variety of border and shading effects to the paragraphs and the entire page. Select the text. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Border button in the Paragraph group on the Home tab. Select the Borders and Shading option from the displayed list. The Borders and Shading dialog box appears as shown in the figures. Now set the border style. Choose the box option under the Settings section. Select the line style under the Style List box. Click on the drop-down list of color and select any color. Click on the line width from the Width section. Click on the drop-down list if applied to section and select the paragraph option. Click OK and observe the change. Alright students, note that to apply a border around the page, click on the Page Border tab and select the desired border setting, style, color and width. Click OK. The defined border will be applied around the page. Let us talk about applying drop cap. Drop cap is a text formatting option in Microsoft Word that allows a user to enlarge only the first letter of a paragraph. It is used to give a graceful and fancy look to a document. To apply the drop cap effect, follow the given steps. Select the first word of your document. Click on the Insert tab and select the Drop Cap button in the text group. Select the desired option from the drop-down menu or select the Drop Cap options from the list. The Drop Cap dialog box appears. Select the Dropped option. Define the parameters if necessary. Click on OK button. Observe the change. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. Fonts are the characters of a specific size and design used for typing the text. Bold effect makes the selected word darker than the rest of the text. Italic effect emphasizes the text by slanting it to the right. Underline effect places a line under the selected text along with spaces. Alignment refers to the positioning of the text on a page. Line spacing is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text in a document. A bullet is a small graphic symbol that sets off an item in a list. In Microsoft Word, tab stops are set at every 0.5 inch by default. Border button is used to apply borders around the selected text, paragraph and the entire page to improve the appearance of the text. The drop cap effect enlarges the first letter of a paragraph.